So, physio session 2 complete in Project Rebuild, and today was massage. Now, I love a good massage. Nice and calm, relaxed. Oh, yeah, I can even fall asleep in a massage. A rehab massage, though, is a little different, so I found out today. It's a little harder, and obviously, when you've got some injuries, and they're really getting on in there, it can smart a little bit. We even did a little bit of spine clicking today, and that was fun. So if there was a message from today, it was definitely, you know what, sometimes we've got to get uncomfortable to move forward. So that's definitely the message. And next time they promised to hook me up to some machine and electrify me. I have no idea, but it'll be a fun journey anyway. So until then, stay tuned, stay safe, stay healthy, and keep rebuilding.